High ticket affiliate marketing how-to. If you're new to affiliate marketing, the High Ticket Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Income Program could be a great way to get started. With mentorship and coaching from experienced marketers and a community of support, you'll learn the ropes and start generating income sooner than you think. So in this video, we'll discuss high ticket affiliate marketing and how to elevate your online business in 2022, mindset, mentorship, coaching, the main difference in high ticket sales versus low ticket sales. You can promote any ticket offer if it is a solution provided to a person that's having that specific problem. Then everyone wins. You don't have to get your information from one place. Knowledge is an ongoing, lifelong place. So my mentor, Chou, made $89,000 last month using the simple 3-step system he is going to go over in the training. The purpose of my high ticket affiliate marketing YouTube channel is to provide entrepreneurs and action takers real, uncut, direct product opportunities around high ticket affiliate marketing to you to create wealth and build a passive income. If this is something that is interest to you, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and follow me. And so let's watch Adrian in action. Follow me.
Hollywood movie stars. When I did my Amazon business, so I hang out with a lot of celebrities at the time, and I can tell you, that when we talk to each other, right, a lot of people, when they try to grow a bigger brand, okay, but they do it like fake it until you make it, okay. Initially, you may think that would get you results, but I'm telling you, okay. If you try to be perfect, if you think that's the way you attract your audience, if you put yourself on that route, the bigger your brand grow, the more pressure you take on. A lot of people, they are big, they are depressed behind closed doors, okay? So I want you to start, because there will be always people who like you, no matter how good you are, no matter how bad you are, right? There will be always people who like you. There will always be people who don't like you, okay? So remind yourself, when you build your following, just be yourself. You want to build a following who like who you are, not you try to fake, not you try to become a person you think they're gonna like you. Otherwise, you just keep adding pressure on yourself. Sooner or later, you're gonna lose that passion, you're gonna lose that joy, okay? The bigger you grow, the more pressure you take on, and eventually you're gonna crash and burn, okay? So very, very, very important tip, okay? When you build your brand, when you build your following, learn from Nate, okay? That's superstar quality. Just live comfortable under your skin, build the following, just be loud, just show people who you really are, okay? There will definitely people who like you, there will be people who don't like you, but you need a loyal following who like you because who you are, okay? Does that make sense?
I've tried other programs. I invested in Commission Hero, I got kicked out of Facebook ads, organic traffic with Chris Luck and Ambassador, but my blog wasn't generating money with Amazon Associates. And I'm honored to be in a Millionaire Challenge system with Zach Crawford and Freedom Breakthrough and Wealth Warriors, but why a coaching program? Does that make sense? No problem. Let me talk to you. Let me show you something. The Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Program. My mentor, Chou, made $88,000 last month with this 3-step system he is going to showcase in the training on December 19th. So take a moment and register at the link shown here. Change Elite Income, December the 19th, the webinar now, as space is limited. Give yourself time and know the blueprint is out there. You just need a cell phone, a computer, Wi-Fi, and a community of support helping you to get to your why. Change can happen, but it takes action. Connect with me for info and smash me in my bio.